Hey, fire escape guy, what's a life safety? This is a life safety. When a tread before it and the tread after it look like crap, and you leave it alone 25 to 50 years, this is what it starts to look like. And you know what? You can't get on this. Imagine you're trying to get out of a fire, or imagine you're just stepping out the back door of your fire escape and you put your foot through that. Your child puts their foot through that. You know what I'm saying? If you're a tenant and you use fire escapes like this all the time, this is a life safety. The landlord and the management company can't ignore this, okay? So what do? If this is what you have outside your door, take a picture, send it to the management company, send it to the landlord. Say, you gotta fix this, it's the law. You have to protect my rights. If all of a sudden they ignore it, send the same picture to fire prevention and building department. They'll come and help you with your situation. It's the law. Every 5 years, you're supposed to inspect and certify your fire escape and keep it painted. This thing hasn't been painted for over 25 to 50 years. Not a good thing. Cisco the fire escape guy, life safeties. This is what they look like. This is what takes lives, not the fire. This is what can hurt, break your bones, and hurt you on the way out of a fire.